This is Sheryl McCoy. I'm going to be showing you some of the tips and tricks that you can use in our rich editor and the audio-video Poodle applications. I will be including some videos that I've made in the past, and I am currently working on trying to use Poodle on my phone, but I'm not being very successful at it, so I'll do what I can, and then I'll get back with you on as I have further updates. To begin, when you come into your any place where you're going to write anything in our Moodle, you have a bar, message bar, and these are the basics: the paragraph, bold, italics, bulleted list, numbered list, and then links right here. You can insert a picture. You can insert an emoticon, some sort of Moodle media, and manage embedded files. Now, if you come over to this left-hand corner and click on the toolbar toggle, a complete set of choices will come up. So here's where you have your font family, your font size. You'll have your backwards and forwards button if you need to go back. Added information besides bold and italic, underline, strike through. If you need to make a superscript, say like 2 squared or something like that. Subscript, as in chemical formulations. Align left, right, or middle. Increase or decrease your indent. That's mostly for your bulleted list. I like to use select text color and highlighting sometimes when I want to emphasize certain words or phrases. Direction, paragraph directions, non-breaking space characters, special characters. It's kind of like maybe the wingdings, and that's what I would compare it to. Your Microsoft Word and some of those other word processing packages. Okay, so you can insert or edit a table. Now here is where your Poodle applications are. You can record MP3s, record video. You can draw a picture, take a picture from your web camera. We also have editing the HTML source. If something isn't quite the right size that you want, or something doesn't look quite right, you can go in and do your little bit of coding and fix that. Find, like search and find words. Find and replace. Clean up messy code. Paste as plain text. Paste from Word. Toggle full screen mode. And then you have your math equation, so you have your math type. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to type something in. I'm going to pick the font family that I want to use. And I am particularly fond of Georgia, but you can also use Arial and Trebuchet, Times New Roman, any of those really. So Georgia it is. I like to keep my font size at least 4 in here. That way everybody can easily read your work when you're finished. When using Moodle Rich Editor, you notice how similar it's becoming to other robust word processing packages. This is great as it helps people complete their work without leaving the Moodle MOOC. We have Poodle Audio. You click on the little microphone. It comes up. I'm using my headphones, and I'm going to click on Record. This is Sheryl McCoy, and I am practicing using Poodle Audio. Now I'm going to play that back. This is Sheryl McCoy, and I am practicing using Poodle Audio. Okay, I like that. So now I'm going to upload. It says it's uploaded successfully. So now I'm going to insert that into my video discussion. So there it is right there. Now I'm going to go into Poodle Draw Picture. Let's see what we can do there. Well, one thing you need to do, or would be helpful for you to do, is first off, see the colors that you want to use. I think I would like to use dark lavender. I want thick. You see, that's thick. I make it thinner. I could make this into a spirochete or some type of animal with really thin legs. And if I want to, I can take this and put it back on black. And I've brought this back down, so I'm going to bring that up, but still smaller than what I had before, and give my animal some eyes. There it is. That's how you do it. It's pretty robust. I've drawn flowers, small little scenes. You can make short diagrams quickly, whatever it is you'd like to do. And I will include videos of what I have done in the past. Alright, so if that's what you want, if that's how you like it, which it is, click on Save Picture. Okay, it says uploaded successfully. So now we're going to insert. Draw a picture. There it is. I chose to create a small invertebrate animal. I'll just put small invertebrate. No backbone. Maybe a worm of some sort, or a centipede, millipede. Something like that. Now, I've got my picture. So I'm going to come down below my picture. And I'm going to include other videos, other Moodle MOOC videos where I've used the picture function and the video function. And I'll go into my videos. Here's one. See, I will bring that back just a little bit. K through 12. Click on that. Alright, Poodle is converting my audio. So I think I'm going to have to wait on this to make sure that it all gets on there.
And it's been processed. Here is what it will sound like.
Hello, I'm Sheryl Mccoy, and I'm here to introduce myself for our teaching young children to learn English as a foreign language.
Now I'm going to move on just a little bit.
It's for our profession.
Moodle editor in Poodle would be the drawing tool. I'm going to show you where you can get that. And as usual, we can see that here is just the Moodle editor. Now I'm going to open this up by double-clicking on that little box there and the icon on the left. And then I am going to see all these other edit tools, plus the Poodle tools that are right down here on the right in the middle. You see they're separated.
Which I've already explained. So let me see if I can get to
that one, so we can take the eraser and we can erase it. Alright, we don't want it that big, so I'm going to, although I guess I could use pointillism. I need to change the color. There, it's a very small but manageable size. So we're going to use it to draw the picture of a prairie plant called echinacea. And I know many of you have probably used echinacea to help you with your flu symptoms or allergies or whatever. Well, it grows right out in our pasture. A lot of people grow it as a special plant in their garden. Most people just find it in the roadside and then they dig it up because it's the roots that you use. Now, I have that. I'm going to make a little thinner line. There you go. For the internal inside line that bisects the petal. And then we're going to make this big and fat, like we had it before, but this time, instead of being pink, it's going to be brown. Now, this plant, the echinacea plant, is in the wild form pink like this. Sometimes it could be a little bit white, lighter and almost a white color, but most of the time it's just a pink. Now, there are lots of hybrids that gardeners and hybridists have made. And there are all kinds of colors and shapes of the cone, because sometimes this plant is called a cone flower. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here. I think that's brown. Yep, there it is. That's still not big enough. Okay, I'm just going to make one big plop. There it is, the center of the flower. So even someone like me who can't draw at all can do this. So if your kids say, oh, we can't do this, well, just remind them that everyone, including Picasso or any other famous artist, Matisse, they all started in the same place. Now I'm going to save the picture successfully. And now I will insert the picture. Oh, there it is.
So this is happening just as the other picture that I just drew was happening. So here is another experience that I've had using Poodle. Now, going back to our letter. Oops. Get my link. Then I go back. I'm going to insert my link using the rich text editor. Inserting video, sound, or applet. Pick YouTube. Thank you, Dr. Nellie, for reminding me how to do this. Go in, click on YouTube, put in the URL of the video you want, click on search. Oh my gosh, there it is. Click on that, select this file, and then you insert it into your discussion. So it will be in my video. So those are the basic ideas behind the use of the rich text editor and the Poodle and all the other good things. It's pretty close to what you have in Word. It's not quite as complicated, but by the same token, if you are pretty much doing just simple text work with pictures, sounds, and video, this is perfect. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to learn more about these types of activities, subscribe to my channel, Into Teaching Everyone. Thank you.